Ever wondered if you could access your salary early? Like, really early? Before payday, even. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been making waves in the financial world, Beforepay. But who exactly is eligible for this innovative salary advance service? Let's break it down. Core eligibility criteria. Employment status. Full-time employees. If you're a full-time employee at a company that partners with Beforepay, you are likely eligible. Contract workers. In some cases, contract workers may also qualify, especially if they receive regular, consistent paychecks. Income level. While Beforepay doesn't have a strict income threshold, having a steady income source is crucial. This ensures that you can repay the advance without financial strain. Employment duration. Most providers require a minimum period of employment to establish a reliable work history. This can vary from a few months to a year, depending on the specific provider. Positive financial history. A good credit score isn't always a hard requirement, but a positive financial history, including on-time bill payments and responsible borrowing, can improve your chances of approval. Additional factors. While the above criteria are generally applicable, it's important to note that specific eligibility requirements can vary between different Beforepay providers. Factors like the company size, industry, and location can also influence eligibility. How to check eligibility. Employer partnership. The easiest way to check your eligibility is to see if your employer has partnered with a Beforepay provider. You can inquire with your HR department or directly with the provider. Online eligibility check. Many Beforepay providers offer online eligibility checks. These typically involve providing basic information like your employer's name and your employment status. The benefits of Beforepay. Before we wrap up, let's quickly touch on the benefits of using Beforepay. Financial flexibility. Access your earned wages early to cover unexpected expenses or plan for future needs. Improved cash flow. Smooth out your cash flow by avoiding payday loans or overdraft fees. Stress reduction. Reduce financial stress by having access to funds when you need them most. With Beforepay, you can take control of your finances and gain peace of mind. By understanding the eligibility criteria and leveraging the benefits of this innovative service, you can make informed decisions about your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.